Hello. In this video, you are going to know how to assign flowout boundary conditions and how to avoid reflection in your explosion experiment. We'll start opening Autodyn. If you have already developed your model and your domain, you'll start from this step. Here we're going to load air as a material, which will be our domain. Now we'll make our domain. This is just for clarification how to assign your flowout boundary conditions and what it is meaning. I just choose any arbitrary coordinates and dimensions. And of course, any number of element size. So now this is our domain. We need to fill out the internal TNT charge or inexclusive charge here. We already made this in previous videos. Now we're applying boundaries. So we'll put new boundary. We will name it as flow. We have several options here. Flow in if you want to force the vectors of explosion to enter another domain. Flow out if you want to allow going out these faces, because if you don't make the flow out, you will have the vectors reflected here by these planes. So choose flow out Euler, and then preferred material all equal. If you have more than one material, you will find all these here, and you choose all equal. Okay. Then go to parts again. You will have several menus here, several parts here. So choose domain, then boundary, block, and choose a plane where you would like to apply your flow condition to allow the expansion of the internal explosion. If you want to, for example, to make the base as a ground so there will be reflection, you don't have to put your flow out boundary condition at this plane. So I'll use our J, which represents the Y. J1 will represent the ground, so I won't put any float at the base. So I'll put in the I direction, which represents the X direction flow. If you have more than one boundary, you'll find these here. I will not put here, as I said, because I will allow the pressure wave to reflect due to ground. We can check our boundaries from here, from plot menu, then boundaries. We have it here. If you have more than one boundary, you should choose what to show from there. Okay. We'll find 5 faces with the brown colored shape, and the bottom or the base was still blue, which means that there is no boundaries here, which means that the pressure waves will not expand from the base and will reflect. If you want to add gauges, we can go there and define gauge point. We can define by coordinates. So let's say we'll put one gauge at 50, 50, 50. Okay, now we have this gauge. Another one will be, let's say, 60 50 50, and let's say 60 50 80. We can check there. We'll remove this one, and we will go to make this opacity just to see inside, and we choose to show the gauges. And also you can review your gauges from here. So you'll have fixed gauge 1 2 3, like this. Thank you.